Hello, welcome. I'm going to do a video on installing the ugly head trimmer on a Troy-built XP jump start, and the model that I am working on is the TB Tango Bravo 6044 XP. You have a notch right there, you can see that, and you get a screwdriver and you insert it into the notch to help hold it still. Now this one, like a lot of others that you've seen, some they turn counterclockwise to take off. This one you have to turn clockwise to take off, and this just keeps it tightened down while it's running. But this one is righty loosey, lefty tighty, so to speak. So we'll remove that. And you also have this piece that comes off, but you want to keep that, of course. Now, after successful removal of the old head, get the piece that you're going to put on there, and you will also notice that you have several bolts and nuts and what have you. Try each one, see which one will fit best on your shaft, like I've done here. Just like and remember, it threads on backwards, like yay. So make sure it fits on there. So I put a nut on top of here like that. That helps me to line it up in there to get to go down in there. And I take this end, insert it first so that it holds it, and then put my screwdriver in a notch there, and then counterclockwise to tighten it. And there it is. The ugly head is attached to the trimmer shaft. You just put all the stuff on there that needs to go on there, and you're done. Thanks for watching.